Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to SAFWAN'S Samayal. Today we are going to see Ravai Parotta.
Today I have come up with a new recipe, parotta using suji rava. It's a healthy and simple recipe. Let us make it. In a mixing bowl, add 2 cups unroasted rava. Add 1 teaspoon salt and pour half cup water little by little and knead well. If it is too sticky, you can add some more rava. Apply some coconut oil. Transfer to your board and once again knead well by stretching. Do it till it becomes a soft dough. Now apply some more oil. Put back the dough into your mixing bowl. Close it with a cling film and leave it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, our dough becomes so soft. See the texture, how soft it is. Now once again, knead well. Just to make it soft, you can do like this. And make balls like you make for parotta. So you can make parotta using different methods. In this video I am going to tell 2 simple methods. In the first method, apply some oil on the board. Roll out like chapati. Roll out till it becomes so thin. Stretch the edges. Now fold the dough like this. Now you get the parotta pattern like this. Apply some coconut oil and press in the center to get round shape. So first type is ready. In the second method, I am going to follow the traditional way. So roll out the balls like earlier. Apply coconut oil and do like this. So it's a traditional way of making parotta. Since the dough is very flexible, you can easily make this. Follow the same procedure. Apply coconut oil and press in the center to get round shape. Now let us cook it. Add 1 teaspoon coconut oil on a hot tawa. Place the parotta. Flip over it. You can add oil in between. Wait till it is fully cooked. Now transfer to a plate. You can make 8 to 10 parotas in this 2 cup of suji. While parotta is hot, beat like this to get layers. Our rava parotta is ready. You can see the layers also. Try out this recipe and share your comments. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to SAFWAN'S Samayal.